Howdy, y'all. Um, I just wanted to let you guys know my plan is to be back tomorrow. I am sorry that I've been out so long, but I did have some personal things with my family that I had to take care of. So I appreciate you guys doing what y'all are doing and taking care of business in class. Today's plan, I kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit and just give you some guidance before you get started. First of all, you should go ahead and get a laptop. If you have your own laptop, you can use it, but y'all are going to have to be doing all of your stuff on Savvis today. So remember, you can get to Savvis by going through your class link and then clicking on the Savvis button to get into your account. The assignments are there that you're going to do today, and I would like for you to do them in the following order. First of all, you should have the packet that is for Experience 1 in your hand. So make sure that you've gotten that. All right. We won't be doing the everyday phenomenon today and or the anchoring phenomenon yet, but we are going to go ahead and start with Experience 1 today. There is an animation that's assigned to you called Breaking and Forming Bonds. I think the animation itself maybe is 2 to 3 minutes long, and then you have two questions that you need to answer. So watch the animation, answer the questions, and then submit it. You've got one of three of the things done today. After you get done with that, you then need to do the PhET interaction simulation that is assigned to you. After you do it, make sure you hit the submit button and then answer on your notes about the takeaways. What did you learn from it? There's a box on your notes that says, what are the takeaways from this activity? That's what I want you to do. So I want you to write down what you got out of the PhET interaction simulation. Okay? Excuse me. The final thing that I want you to do today is to read Experience 1, which you have been assigned that Experience 1 reading as well. I do want you to take notes while you go along, and these are going to be different types of notes than y'all have done before. If you look at your note packet, there are two columns. And the column on the left-hand side said, what I've learned from reading. And then the one on the right-hand side says, what did I learn in class? The one for the left-hand side is for you to write down information that you are learning while you're reading. Okay? What I really recommend that you do is that you read a page and then you write any takeaways in that left-hand column box according to topic. You'll notice that there's different topic words in those boxes. So if there's anything on that page that you're like, ooh, I didn't know that, and you think you ought to write it down, then go ahead. If there's definitions, if there's bold words, when you read through the pictures, if you're like, ooh, I really need to remember that, again, write it down. I'm not expecting you to get everything from just that reading that way. That's why you have the right-hand column, which will be what you've learned in class. And that's when we'll do some notes and follow up on that information. Okay? What you don't finish today needs to be actually completed by Monday. Okay, so of these three activities, if you don't finish any of it today, if you should be able to get 1 and 2 done without a problem. But if you don't finish 3 in class today, I need it done by Monday, not tomorrow, not Friday, but I need it done by Monday. Okay. Your tests, I did pick them up. I am going to start grading them, but again, I won't have those grades ready until Monday. So just so that you know, don't be looking for them anytime before that. Okay. My final thing to talk about is, like I said, my game plan is to be there on Friday. Okay. And with that being said, we're going to do a lab. There was a lab that we were supposed to have done in the last unit that because I was out, we weren't able to do it, but I really do want you to be able to do it. It's one of my most favorite labs that we do all year long, and I think you guys will like it a lot. But that lab won't be due until Wednesday the 13th. It will be due Wednesday the 13th at the beginning of class. So you just need to be aware of that. Okay, so those are the plans for today. Watch the animation, answer the questions, and submit it. Then do the PhET interaction simulation, submit it, and then answer on your notes about the takeaways. and then read experience 1 and take notes while you go along. Again, whatever you don't finish today needs to be completed by Monday. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you soon.